Yucky, cucky. Baby, we thought spring was here and it's not. I said we thought spring was here and it's not.
Questions, okay? Have you or any member of your family ever been diagnosed schizophrenic, mentally incompetent?
My uncle thought he was St. Jerome.
Want me to look in the freezer? Hold on.
I think yes. Are you habitually...
Time to clean off the car. It's freezing rain now. Where's the bush? Where's the bush? Keep closing doors, it'll all just fall off. Keep closing doors, it'll all just fall off. Try it with this one. Ready? Yeah, alright, I got shit to do.